The KINGQUAD's engine, chassis, and electrical equipment have all been substantially updated. KINGQUAD also comes with great new styling. Performance improvements have been made for every situation. While achieving compliance with the evaporative emissions standard in California, USA, KINGQUAD's balanced power characteristics have been refined from low speed to high speed. In addition, owing to improved CVT settings on the KINGQUAD 750AXi, powerful departure acceleration is achieved even when hauling heavy loads. Durability is also improved thanks to a cooling oil jet to the back of the piston. Setting of the CVT has been improved so that engine RPM gets higher during acceleration. This helps achieve powerful departure acceleration even when towing or carrying loads. Setting of the CVT has been improved so that engine RPM gets higher during deceleration. Engine braking is more effective, especially when driving downhill, and the engine more manageable. Changes in parts for the improved CVT setting include the 8 weight rollers, each of which is reduced in weight from 28 grams to 25 grams. Spring rate of the driven pulley spring has been optimized and the groove of torque cam shape revised. These modifications help achieve powerful departure acceleration even when towing or carrying loads. Cooling performance is improved owing to an oil jet, which is sprayed to the back of the piston from within the crankcase. Thickness of the oil pump rotor has been increased from 8 millimeters to 10 millimeters, increasing the pump capacity. The oil discharge volume has been increased from 7.6 liters per minute to 9.5 liters per minute at 3,000 RPM. This helps improve cooling performance and durability by ensuring a sufficient oil discharge volume. Maneuverability and comfort have been improved owing to refinements of the frame, suspension, stabilizer, brakes, and power steering. Towing capacity has been greatly increased. Wall thickness of the main frame has been increased by 0.2 millimeters or 0.4 millimeters from the previous model, substantially improving strength and rigidity. The frame helps promote excellent maneuverability and stability. The rear suspension upper brackets, final case brackets, and rear carrier brackets have been reinforced, increasing strength. Towing capacity has been greatly increased from 450 kilograms to 600 kilograms due to increased strength and rigidity of the frame. Utility performance has been improved. In addition, the trailer hitch has been changed from the plate type to receiver type. This has helped enhance utility and versatility. The independent A-arm front suspension is preload adjustable 5 ways for maximum versatility when hauling a load. This suspension allows 170 millimeters of wheel travel. Valve structure has been revised with the adoption of gas-filled shock absorbers. The front suspension helps provide excellent road holding capability, stability, and comfort. The independent rear suspension uses a lower A-arm and upper I-beam construction. Independent shock absorbers in the rear are also 5-way preload adjustable and allow 195 millimeters of wheel travel. Valve structure has been revised with the adoption of gas-filled shock absorbers. The rear suspension provides excellent road holding capability, stability, and comfort. The rear stabilizer has increased stiffness, hardness of the bushings has been decreased, and the shape modified. The rear stabilizer helps promote ride comfort, maneuverability, and stability while enhancing cornering performance and rough road capability. Discs, brake pads, brake hoses, and master cylinder are standardized and optimized on all models. The brake feel has improved. A super strong multi-disc braking system for the rear uses 3 plates sealed in an oil bath. The brake pedal lever ratio has been changed and the brake arm has increased rigidity. In addition, brake power and feel have been enhanced owing to size optimization of the handbrake cable's outer casing. With the KINGQUAD 750AXi, besides improved effectiveness of engine braking due to a change of CVT setting, the brake feel has also improved. The power steering motor capacity has been increased from 160 watts to 220 watts for enhanced durability. In addition, settings have been revised to reduce rider fatigue, achieve a comfortable ride, attain stable handling performance, and high cornering performance in the low to high speed range. At the same time, the shock from the road has been reduced to the minimum, helping to cushion impacts on rough road surfaces. The steering ratio has been changed. With the handlebar steering angle as it is, the toe setting has been modified to promote easier handling. The more natural cornering characteristics promote enhanced cornering performance from low to high speed. Also, more natural handling helps the rider keep to their intended line of travel on corners. On the previous model, it was necessary to remove the carrier and fender, whereas on the new model, removing the seat and harness cover enables access to the fuel filter. This improves ease of maintenance. The wide floorboard allows more freedom to adjust your riding position. A 2.8-liter water-resistant handy storage compartment is located on the right side front fender. In addition to 4 liters on the rear left side, another 4 liters of storage space is newly available in the rear center. A handlebar-mounted headlight and LED rear combination lights are adopted. The instrument panel provides a convenient service reminder. The handlebar-mounted auxiliary headlight delivers focused lighting in the direction of intended travel and can be switched off independently. LED rear lights are newly adopted. LED lights have high visibility and long life. A newly designed full LCD multifunction instrument panel is adopted. The instrument panel provides a convenient service reminder, letting the rider know when the next maintenance period is due. A convenient water-resistant 12-volt DC outlet is provided for recharging satellite navigation systems, mobile devices, and other devices. The KINGQUAD has dramatically evolved owing to various updates. Achieving high levels of balanced utility and leisure and hunting use, its performance has further improved as an ATV that is built tough for every ride.